Well, we have a couple more princess dresses for Summer to match up with her new tiaras. So let's see what we've got. We're going to match up this dress with this tiara. So let's get it on you. There we go. Turn around. Well, that was pretty regal. Now we have one of the rainbow colored crowns, and I think we're going to match that one up with this dress. That's a pretty princess dress. Turn around. At this point, I think we have more tiaras than princess dresses, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do, because we have a couple more. I'll have to see what we can come up with. Bye-bye.